Hey guys, it's Angela, and I'm doing this video because we are getting our new pup. His name is Dominico, and we're gonna go see him. I'm super psyched, and we're gonna bring him home, and I'm really excited. And we'll see. I'm watching Ice Age. I don't know what you call it, but it's not Continental Drift. Pop goes the weasel.
Hey Judy, there's shop over here.
Exact, and we're going.
Judy, we have shop over here.
And I think we're about to go. And it's gonna be really cute, and I'm gonna make a video when we get to him. So bye. You guys can check the other video on my channel. So